In this video, we are going to explain one more feature that enables ProjoMania partners to submit their tasks easily and make sure that their workflow is going smoothly. So first of all, here we have two different users, the same task, but two different point of view. On the left, you can find project partner manager, who should be the partner project manager or whoever the decision maker inside the partner company or partner team. Here is the partner user who should be or supposed to be a team member who can just follow up and add discussions here. So as you can see here, we have for the manager we have the buttons to approve or reject, the estimated effort, like estimated deadline and the estimated cost. On the other hand, here the same task, you can find that the status is there and the estimated deadline is there, but the cost is hidden. So if the decision maker can always find the estimated cost, he can also approve. And once approved, you can just reload the page. You can find that still the effort estimation is there and the estimated deadline still there, so that the team member can follow up with the progress and make sure that everything is working as planned. Thanks.